Today, we will learn how to change the language of Firefox. First, click on the menu at the top right of your screen. It should be represented by 3 horizontal lines. Then, click on the Parameters button. In my example, it is called Paramètres in French. This should be the 4th button when counting from the bottom. Then, scroll on the page that just opened until you see an option that looks like that. Click on the selected language, and then the bottom option, to research other languages. If your language appears, then click on it and confirm. Else, choose a language to add. Select your language in the list, add it with the button next to the list and confirm. You now have successfully changed the language of Firefox.